Hi, I'm Andy Runyon, and welcome to Glockner Body Shop, located at 4368 US Highway 23, right here in Portsmouth, Ohio. With over 250 years of combined experience, our staff and our technicians are better than the rest, and we make it easy for you. Here at Glockner Body Shop, we work on all makes and models, from Mazda to Hyundai to Honda to Chevrolet. Here at Glockner Body Shop, every job is important, whether it be a small collision or a major collision. We're here for you. We deal with the insurance company, we deal with the process, and we get you taken care of. Here at Glockner Body Shop, we make it easy. 4368 US Highway 23, Portsmouth, Ohio, 740-351-2231.